Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Beldex Wallet application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Beldex Wallet application on your iPhone is easy. Open up your App Store and also make sure that your mobile device is connected to a stable internet. Now open up the search bar and type in Beldex Wallet and perform your search. Once you find the official wallet displayed on the screen, tap on the download button right next to the wallet and you'll be able to begin the downloading process. Beldex Wallet is a decentralized wallet for the Beldex privacy coin. You can easily store your coins here and have full control over your private keys. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch Open Beldex Wallet app right on your iPhone. Now you can start off by creating a new wallet or use an existing wallet to log in. That is how you can easily download Beldex Wallet application using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.